Alright, this is a channel of random Minecraft stuff and more, and here we have the final Quorum Estate. This was put into the house right after it was built in 2005, and is one of my childhood CU fans. I came to this house many times. This is at my aunt's mansion, and first thing we'll do is the light. Then we'll do the fan on low. It hums on this speed of medium. Look at it go. Pretty loud. Then we'll put it to medium. High. Wait a second. So medium goes a little faster than high, I suppose. That would be the case. But it does blow a decent amount of air on medium. It does have a bad capacitor though. High is supposed to be faster than medium. And the capacitor not bad. Alright. I'm gonna leave this on. So thanks for watching the channel Random Minecraft Stuff and More out.